are chemistry project batch 1 and our project is smart storage rack system. I am Paridasan.
I am Rajkumar.
I am Satish Kumar.
I am Surya. I am Ajay.
Introduction to our project. In every company there are warehouses to store their items. Workers have to search for the items because there are so many items in a warehouse. And if an item is placed in a top place, they have to climb the ladder and it costs danger to employees. So our objective is to reduce the searching time and increase productivity. So introduce our project Smart Storage Rack System.
This is the on-off switch, emergency switch, and this is the HMI screen. On-off switch, which is used to on or off a circuit. Emergency switch, which is used to unfaulted conditions. HMI screen, which is used to communicate with the PLC.
It is a power supply model. It is converts 230 volt AC into 24 volt DC, and we are using two limit switch for getting feedback. It is a first limit switch for horizontal motion. This is a second limit switch for vertical motion. In our project, we are using Delta DVP 14SS2 or PLC 3TB6600 stepper motor drivers. It is for horizontal motor, it is for vertical motor, and it is for gripper motor. In PLC, input X0 goes to east of switch, X1 goes to limit switch 1, and X2 goes to limit switch 2. And outputs of Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4 and Y5 is going to stepper motor 1, stepper motor 2, stepper motor 3.
In our project, we are using a 3-stepper motor. One is for horizontal motion, second one for vertical motion, third one for gripping motion.
For power transmission, we use two mechanisms. One is chain drives for horizontal and vertical motion, and rack and pinion for gripping motion. Now let's see about our HMI module. This is our first screen in our HMI. It is a login screen. Here we have two options, employee login and supervisor login. First we see about employee login. We should enter a correct password to enter into an employee login. Then we have two options, store and retrieve. Now first let's see about the store option. We have to select the items which we want to store. Then we have to enter the number of item, how many count we have to store. Then we can press enter. The maximum number that we can enter at a time is 10. Now I enter 5 and press enter. Now when a machine is in progress, we cannot do any kind of action. After selected item come to our RS area, our HMI screen will come to this page. It have two options, done and another action. Done will go to the login screen, where another option we can take another item or select another item without login. While in this page we cannot store or retrieve or do any action because our system is in progress. Now let's see about a retrieve option. Store and retrieve option both are same. They will do the same action, but the counting process will change. So that same goes to this also. And now let's see about the another login option. It is a supervisor login. In that we have to enter another password, which is for supervisor. And in supervisor login there are three options. View items, manual jog and HMI settings. In view items, we can view the items, number of items, how many numbers of items in a tray, and we cannot do any action in it. And if we have two options, take action will go to the retrieve or storage page, and back to vision will go to our supervisor page, login page. Here we have manual jog, which can control horizontal, vertical and gripping motion individually. And we have some HMI settings.